hereby present the 82 candidates for graduation for the degree of Bachelor in Elementary Education and 129 candidates for the degree of Bachelor in Secondary Education for your recognition.
To the School Administrator, Madam Juliette Rosario-Canes, our Vice President, Dr. Quirino Tinogal Jr., by the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees, as the Assistant College Department Head of the College of Criminal Justice Education, I hereby present to you the 490 candidates for graduation leading to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology for your recognition.
College Administrator, Madam Juliette Rosario-Canes, Madam. College President, Dr. Quirino Tinogal Jr., Sir. By the power vested in me as the head of the College of Computer Studies, I hereby present to you the 92 candidates for graduation for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology for your recognition.
College Administrator, Madam Juliette Rosario-Canes. College President, Dr. Quirino Tinogal Jr. With the power vested in me as the Department Head of the College of Office Administration, I hereby present to you the 346 candidates for graduation for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration for your recognition.
We shall now witness the recognition and presentation of the candidates for graduation to the chairperson, the TMC Board of Trustees, together with the Zambor TMC College Administrator, the Vice Chairperson of the TMC Board of Trustees, Madam Juliette Rosario-Canes, and after which shall follow the conferring of the degrees and titles of the candidates for graduation. To do the honor, it is the Principal Mayor of Trinidad Bohol and Chairman of the TMC Board of Trustees, Attorney Roberto C. Gales, PhD.
Honorable Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Trustees, by authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees, and upon the recommendation of the faculty, I hereby present to you these candidates for graduation. 30 from the Bachelor of Arts in Communication, 56 from the Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, 82 from the Bachelor of Elementary Education, 129 from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, 92 from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, 490 from the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, 346 from the Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, an overall total of 1,225 graduating students for the academic year 2023-2024 for your acceptance and confirmation.
College Administrator, Juliette Rosario-Canes, College President, Dr. Quirino Tinogal Jr., pursuant to the law vested in me as elected Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Trustees, I hereby acknowledge and confer on each of you the degree for which you have qualified with all the rights, honors, and responsibilities thereto appertaining. 30 from the Bachelor of Arts 56 from the Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, 82 from the Bachelor of Elementary Education, 129 from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, 92 from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, 490 from the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and 346 from the Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. An overall total of 1,225 graduate students for the academic year 2023-2024. Congratulations, you are now graduates of Trinidad Municipal College. We will go forward with confidence, courage, and commitment to making a difference. We are immensely proud of you and excited to see what you will be and what you will achieve. Again, congratulations.